purchase your tickets online if you don't want to stand in line. So if you purchase it on site, then you would have to fill out this application to purchase a ticket. So it's probably more convenient if you purchase it online.
So it looks like we got this action figure. Oh, look at that!
So along with your general admission ticket, you also get this super cool model that you can build at home, and it comes with these parts and instructions, and it's about 9.5 centimeters, so that's how it'll look. So it's a really awesome souvenir. We wanted to do the Gundam Dock Tower, but then that was sold out for the day, and it would have been so cool because it's so up close to the Gundam. There's also a timer there that shows when the next show will begin. It's gonna start! Wow!
Mission Control より発令。これより RX78、F00 ガンダムの起動実験を開始する。
総員、配置についてください。
繰り返す。総員、配置についてください。コックピットハッチ、止めます。
コックピットハッチ、確認。
Cockpit door lock secure.
G6 可動デッキスタンバイ。ポートヘッド完了。
Release the bridge. Gundam, forward to launch position.
G キャリアのストッパーを解除。
Completed. Stopper release.
起動準備完了。
ミッションコントロールからガンダムへ。ガンダム、聞こえますか？
こちらガンダム、よく聞こえている。
自動姿勢制御装置を起動させてください。
了解。自動姿勢制御装置を起動。
現在のステータスを報告せよ。
All motors are ready and good to go.
両足の減速機は異常ありません。
No problems found in the wing electric system.
コーナーパーツは正常です。
No problems found in the auxiliary brake.
全モーターのトラック異常ないか？
ガンダムの各部干渉はクリアです。
The torque mass does not exceed the limit.
デュアルセンサー、どちらとも異常なし。
Approved and transmitting. Please start testing the manipulator's operation.
Better here, better. Go closer.
ガンダム、手動による再起動が必要だ。
了解。もう手動に。さっさと終わらせようぜ。50、
ガンダムの記録は残されていないんだ。それにオリジナルの
So to start, they have food trucks here that have snacks, and I'll show you what they have. So these guys have popcorn and milk tea. Ooh. So they have tapioca drinks. So this food truck is called Cafe, hot bread sandwich. And if you don't want to try any of the food from the food truck, you can come up here on the second floor to the Gundam Cafe and have a coffee while you're watching the show because it has a great view of Gundam. So aside from the food trucks and the Gundam Dock Tower, they even have Gundam Lab and a Gundam Base, and they even have a conference room. And this is the line to the Gundam Lab where they show you how they built the Gundam and the plans that they did. So we're gonna check out the conference room and what they have inside. Aside from the Gundam Base, they even sell Gundam Toys in the second floor in the conference room, and these are some of the ones that are cheaper, like 770 yen. But these guys on this shelf, these guys are the ones that are more expensive. So that's 19,800 yen. When you head back downstairs, there's this colorful wall where you can write down what you would like to see on the next Gundam or what you thought about the Gundam, and it's so cool because a lot of people actually did fill up this wall, and there's still some spaces if you want to put your own thing there. So when you're done checking out the Gundam Factory, you can come out here and enjoy the view of Yokohama Bay, or you can even just walk further down and go to Yamashita Park and just enjoy the view. There's even a lot of restaurants on that area, and this is just one other side of Yokohama. There's even Chinatown, Minato-Barai, and you can go ahead and check out our video on that to see how that side of Yokohama looks like. So you should definitely check it out. It's the Marine Rouge, and it is a dinner cruise that you can, and it's just one of the things that you can do here in Yokohama. I hope you all enjoyed that show. That was really awesome. And even if you're not a Gundam fan, the fact that this life-size Gundam was actually moving is just very impressive. And I hope you come visit this place one day when you come here. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. We'll see you in our next video.